Hello friends, welcome to my channel. These are my freehand painted designer creative designs, and you can see all these designs in my live videos in my channel Aparna Arts, and you can buy these designs. Each design is for 1000 rupees. You can frame them or you can do patchwork on your dresses, chunnis, anywhere. And those who want to learn basic freehand painting course can join my course. My details are in this video and below this video in description, and for more information you can see my website link, which is in about and in the description below. This is wraparound dress and this is for sale. Those interested can order and buy. Those interested in freehand painting can learn freehand painting and see my live videos and other tutorials, and those interested in orders, they can give me order and buy my artworks. There are many more. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.